Welcome back to Star Citizen, gang. Hope you had a great 4th of July, or happy Trader's Day. Today is going to be one of those sit back because you had a lot of ribs and buttered corn and maybe some silk chocolate pie. And just go down and shoot a bunch of events PCs and stash all the loot inside the local inventories. The distribution centers are a great place because when you take something like this ion, you have a tendency to wonder whether or not the external storage is actually still borked. And it is. In fact, I ran into a couple of server problems along the way that caused the inventory and my personal inventory, aside from the ion, to be somewhat unreliable. But, with that being said, it does make up for it because we'll come back with the Star Runner, shoot more NPCs, and then we'll take everything back to the station and sell for nice, tasty profit. Aside from any damages and fuel costs that are negligible, it's all money in our pocket. Enough talking, let's get to work. Happy thoughts.
Dead men tell no tales.
You know, these missions, they spawn regularly. When you finish one, you should go back into the manager. You may only have 200 yards, 300 meters or so to go do the other side of the complex. So think about that before you head out.
Booyah!
When it comes time to loot the NPCs, let the inventory manager fully spawn. If you don't, sometimes it'll drop leg armor, chest armor, all of it on the ground, and you can't drag it into local inventory. Sometimes slow works.
Arrgh! I'm a bad boy.
And you thought you were the only one this happens to. You're not. Not by a long shot. Sometimes it just gets into a loop that you can't get it out of. And in this case, well, I had to go grab a different server. Happy thoughts. Now, what game can you go out, have that much fun with a little PvE, rinse and repeat a couple times, and then bring back such a haul that, well, you can pretty much finance anything you want in the game. Sometimes things are worth a little bit of effort. Cheers, gang.